I have several students who are going to be starting level 2A for their lessons. I think Thomas and McGuire and Adam. So this is for all of you. Maybe Emma, we'll see. There might even be others that I don't know about yet. So this is the theory book. This is the book that you're going to write in usually. And your first assignment that you will all get includes pages 2, 3, 4, and 5. So I'm going to show you each of those pages now and explain a couple things. So this first page is actually page 2, and it's about eighth notes. Now in class we would always call these due days. So this would say due day, and a due day is one beat, just like a do is. In this book they suggest you call a due day running, and a do would be walk. Okay, so if we come down here, this says walk running. And your instructions are to draw a quarter note where it says walk, draw 2 eighth notes above where it says running. So you just fill that in with notes. And then you do the same thing here and the same thing here. Okay? For number 2, it says draw, what does it say? Draw a bar line after every 4 counts. This can be a little tricky. This is 1 count. This due day is 1 count. And then we have a count, and the due day is a count. All right, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and the bar line would go there. Then we have 1, 2, here's the 3rd count, and the 4th count, bar line would go there. This is a dotted half note. Those are 3 counts. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. And you put a double bar at the end. That looks like one of these. Okay? So that is page 2. I'm going to quickly go over here to page 3. And here what you're doing is matching a little rhyme or a little line out of a song or a poem to the rhythm that goes with it. Okay, so up here we have this rhythm. Do, do, day, do, do. Here we have do, day, do, day, do, day, do. Here we have do, 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 day, do, day, 2 beats. And at the bottom we have do, day, do, day, do, day, do, day. Okay, so that's how we would read those with our rhythm language. Now, all you need to do is read these words in rhythm and match it up to the rhythm over there. But since some of you might not know these songs or these rhymes, I'm going to read them to you. The first one is Wee Willie Winkie. Think bum, 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 bum. Find that rhythm over here and connect Wee Willie Winkie to his rhythm. The next one is Ba, ba, black sheep, have you any wool? So think ba, 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 and then connect it to that one. Here we have Polly, put the kettle on. All right. Oh, okay. I see where that one goes. I couldn't remember. And then at the bottom we have Simple Simon met a pieman. Bum, 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 bum. So connect those to the rhythm that matches it best. And that's it for that page. Okay, so I'm going on to page 4 now. And some of you won't get to these pages right away, but you can always come back to this video when you're ready for this page. This is called Fiddle to My Eighth Notes. And it says draw only 1 note in the blank violin to equal the eighth notes of the first violin. So here we have 2 pairs of eighth notes. It says do day, do day. That is 2 beats. So you draw 1 note in this violin that equals 2 beats. It has to be equal. And you're only allowed 1 note. So you have to think about what kind of note is 2 beats long and draw that one there. Here we have only 1 pair of eighth notes, so that means 1 beat. Draw the note that's 1 beat. 3 pairs of eighth notes means 3 beats. Draw the note that's 3 beats. And I'm pretty sure, no, I didn't tell you about that on that last page. Hopefully you can find the answer to that. Here we have 4 pairs of eighth notes. Even though they have 4 notes beamed together, it's still 4 pairs. So draw the note here that is 4 beats long. All right, number 2 says, complete each measure with only 1 pair of eighth notes. This measure, this one's done, that was the example. This measure only has 1, 2, 3 beats, and we're supposed to have 4. So draw a pair of eighth notes in there to finish that last beat, 1 pair of eighth notes. This measure has 1 quarter note, that's only 1 beat. We need 3 more beats there. That means you need to draw 3 pairs of eighth notes. and then do these lines the same way. I hope that makes sense. All right, here is the last page that you'll be doing. This is about the natural. This is a natural sign. A natural cancels a sharp or a flat, and a natural will always be a white key. Sharps and flats are usually black keys, but a natural is always, always, always a white key. All right, so here's a popcorn bowl. This goes with the song Leftover Popcorn. And just follow the instructions, circle the natural sign, and then try reading this melody. I hope you recognize this is middle C. So the next note would be C sharp, and then it goes back to C natural, which is just regular C. Okay, so you sight read that melody. Down here, find that note and put a little check mark on it. So that says C sharp. C is this key. C sharp is the black one right above it. Okay, that's that one. Down here, you're going to practice drawing some naturals or tracing them. Down here, you trace them again in the lines and spaces. Okay, that should not be really hard. So I hope you enjoy using this book.